Welcome to the 10-Minute Mind. Upgrade your life, one big idea at a time. Mark Twain once said that if the first thing you do each morning is to eat a live frog, you can go through the day with the satisfaction of knowing that that is probably the worst thing that is going to happen to you all day long. Imagine it, a cold, slimy, ugly frog on your breakfast plate. You don't want to eat it, you stare at it, you wait. But guess what? The longer you stare at the frog, the uglier it gets. In life, your frog is your biggest, most important task. It is the one task you are most likely to procrastinate on, but also the one that will have the greatest positive impact on your life. Today, we are summarizing Eat That Frog by Tracy. I will give you 21 ways to stop procrastinating and get more done in less time. If you are tired of feeling overwhelmed, this video is for you. Chapter 1. Here is the brutal truth. You will never get caught up. You will never get everything done. Your to-do list is a monster that grows faster than you can kill it. Therefore, the key to success is not trying to do everything. It is the ability to select the most important task and start on it immediately. Tracy calls this the law of forced efficiency. There is never enough time to do everything, but there is always enough time to do the most important thing. Think of your time like a jar. If you fill it with sand, the small, trivial emails and phone calls, there is no room left for the big rocks, your dreams and goals. But if you put the big rocks in first, the sand can fill in the gaps. You must eat the biggest frog first. Chapter 2. How do you identify the frog? Use the ABCDE method. This is a simple technique to prioritize your day. Write down everything you have to do, then place a letter next to each task. A tasks are must do. These are the frogs. Serious consequences if you don't do them. B tasks are should do. Mild consequences. C tasks are nice to do, no consequences, like chatting with a coworker. D tasks are delegate. E tasks are eliminate. The rule is simple. Never do a B task when an A task is left undone, and never do a C task when a B task is waiting. Discipline yourself to start on A1 and stay with it until it is 100% complete. Let's look at a real-world example of the ABCDE method. Imagine you come to work on Monday. Your list has 5 items. Wash the car, write the monthly report, call mom, check Facebook, and organize your desk. Let's label them. Write the monthly report. This is your A1. If you don't do it, you get fired. That is a huge, ugly frog. Call mom. This is a B. You should do it, she might be sad if you don't, but you won't lose your job. Wash the car. This is a C. Nice to do, but it can wait. Organize desk. Delegate this or do it later. That's a D. Check Facebook. That is an E. Eliminate it. The discipline is starting on A1 immediately. Even if your desk is messy, even if the car is dirty, eat the frog first. Then you earn the right to do the B and C tasks. Chapter 3. Let's talk about the D tasks. Delegate. Many people stay poor because they try to do the tadpoles, the small, low-value tasks themselves. You should only do what only you can do. In the past, you needed a big office to delegate. Today, you have platforms like Fiverr. Do you have a D task on your list? Maybe it's formatting a document. editing a video, or designing a slide. Don't let that tadpole eat your time. Go to Fiverr, hire a freelancer for $5 or $10, and buy back your freedom. I've put a link to the best outsourcing tools in the description. Delegate the D's so you can focus on the A's. Chapter 4. The biggest enemy of eating the frog is technology. We are addicted to urgency. The phone rings. The notification dings. We react like Pavlov's dogs. This creates a false sense of productivity. Tracy says, "Technology is a terrible master but a wonderful servant." To eat the frog, you must disconnect. Turn off notifications. Put your phone in another room. Create zones of silence in your day. You cannot solve a $1,000 problem with a $10 attention span. Chapter 5. The 3 Ds of New Habits. Eating the frog is not natural. Procrastination is natural. To change your brain, Tracy says you need the 3 Ds. First, decision. Make a decision right now that you will develop the habit of task completion. You will not check your phone until the frog is eaten. Second, discipline. You must discipline yourself to practice the principles you are learning, over and over again, until it becomes automatic. Third, determination. You must lock in your new habit with the determination to persist until it becomes a permanent part of your personality. Character is the ability to follow through on a resolution long after the emotion of the moment has passed. Use the 3 Ds to build your character. Before you go, let's recap the master plan. 1. Define your goal. Clarity is power. 2. Plan every day in advance, usually the night before. 3. Apply the 80-20 rule to everything. 4. Use the ABCDE method to find your frog. 5. Diagnose your constraints. What is holding you back? 6. Take it 1 oil barrel at a time, 1 step at a time. 7. Discipline yourself with the 3 Ds. If you do these 7 things, you won't just get more done, you will get the right things done. Conclusion. Here is your homework. Tonight, before you go to sleep, plan your tomorrow. Write down your list. Apply the ABCDE method. Identify your biggest, ugliest frog. And tomorrow morning, when you wake up, don't look at it. Don't think about it. Eat it. Eat that frog. And watch your life transform. For the tools mentioned, check the description. Subscribe to the 10-Minute Mind to upgrade your brain. Now, go find your frog.